Welcome to Speak English with Stories, the podcast where you improve your English by listening to real stories, real conversations, and real ideas.
This channel is created for English learners who want to build vocabulary, improve listening skills, and feel more confident with spoken English.
In each episode, we explore an interesting topic from culture, history, or daily life, and we explain it using clear, natural English.
Today's episode is special because it is Spicy Food Day.
We will talk about how different countries use spice in their food and why some cuisines are very hot while others are mild.
You will hear examples from Chinese, Thai, and Korean food, and learn how climate and culture influence what people eat.
So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story.
Let's begin. Did you know that today is officially Spicy Food Day?
It's a fitting occasion to explore how spice functions far beyond taste as a marker of culture, history, and even climate.
Exactly. Around the world, the use of spice reflects centuries of adaptation. Some regions have built their culinary identities around intense heat, while others have developed traditions that favor much milder flavors.
And the contrast between these approaches is striking. To begin, let's look at China, specifically Sichuan province, which is often considered the epicenter of Chinese spicy cuisine.
Sichuan food is distinctive because it combines two sensations, heat and numbness. This effect, known as mala, comes from the pairing of hot chilies with Sichuan peppercorns.
Unlike regular chili heat, Sichuan peppercorns create a tingling, numbing sensation that intensifies the experience. Dishes such as mapo, tofu, and Sichuan hot pot are global examples of this unique flavor profile.
This style of cooking developed in response to the region's humid climate, where spice was traditionally believed to counter dampness and preserve food.
Moving south to Thailand, spice takes on an entirely different role.
Indeed, while Thai food is globally known for its heat, the cuisine of northeastern Thailand, or Isan, is particularly intense.
Isan dishes rely heavily on fresh chilies and fermented ingredients, often reaching heat levels that surpass many well-known spicy cuisines.
Here, spice is not a garnish or accent, it is a fundamental component of everyday meals.
Another compelling case is South Korea, where spice is closely linked to fermentation.
Korean cuisine centers around ingredients such as gochujang, a fermented chili paste, and gochugaru, or chili flakes.
What makes Korean spice unique is its slow progression. Rather than an immediate burn, the heat builds gradually and lingers, particularly in dishes like tteokbokki and kimchi stew.
Fermentation enhances both depth and duration of heat, creating a balance between spice, umami, and richness.
When we compare these cuisines, an important question emerges. Why are some regions so much spicier than others?
Climate plays a significant role. In warmer regions, spices were historically used for their antimicrobial properties, helping to preserve food in high temperatures.
Spicy food also promotes sweating, which can help cool the body, a practical advantage in hot climates.
In contrast, colder regions had less need for such preservation methods, allowing their cuisines to evolve around herbs, fats, and milder seasonings.
What we see then is not a preference for pain or intensity, but a long-term cultural response to environment and necessity.
On this Spicy Food Day, it's worth recognizing that every cuisine, whether fiery or mild, represents centuries of knowledge and tradition.
From the numbing heat of Sichuan to the bold chilies of Thailand to Korea's fermented fire, spice tells a story of survival, identity, and creativity.
And that's our story about spicy food from around the world, from the numbing heat of Sichuan to the fiery flavors of Thailand to Korea's slow fermented spice.
We've also seen how climate and culture shape what people eat, and how spice tells a story about history, tradition, and daily life.
We hope you enjoyed this episode and learned some new words and ideas while listening.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Speak English with Stories.
And leave a comment. Tell us, how spicy can you handle?
Thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next story.
Happy Spicy Food Day!